Creativity and art to children. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Creativity is like imagination. It's about coming up with new ideas, and that are unique and special. 2. Art is a way to express feelings. Tell children that art is a way people express their feelings, thoughts, and ideas without using words. 3. Colors have feelings. Introduce the idea that different colors can make us feel different emotions. 4. Shapes and lines tell stories. Circles might be the sun, squares could be a house, and wavy lines might represent the wind. 5. Everyone is an artist. It's about having fun and expressing yourself. 6. Art can be anything you want, that there are no strict rules in art. 7. Nature and everyday things can inspire art. A walk in the park, or even a funny dream, can be the starting point for a beautiful piece of art. 8. Artists have their own style. Introduce famous artists and their unique styles. 9. Encourage experimentation. Experiment with different art materials. 10. Art is fun and relaxing. Remind them that art is a fun and relaxing activity. It's a way to enjoy yourself and take a break from everyday routines. The joy of self-expression. Keep it light, enjoyable, and let their imagination take the lead.